Good morning, student. In chemical bonding chapter, I have given homework. So the formation of magnesium chloride, magnesium oxide, calcium chloride, and calcium oxide. Only four homework I have given, and question I have given. So the formation of these ionic compound or electroviolent compound. I am going to explain the formation of magnesium chloride. Formation of magnesium chloride. First, you write the electronic configuration of magnesium. Atomic number 12, 2, 8, and 2. K, L, and M cell. Similarly, in case of chlorine, 2, 8, and 7. We know that magnesium easily loses 2 electron and form magnesium ion 2 and 8, just like nearest noble gas neon. Why magnesium lost the electron? To get stable electronic configuration. Similarly, chlorine 287 gain electron and form chloride ion just nearest noble gas argon. See the electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of chloride ion just like argon. Means magnesium have, just I am going to rub this electronic configuration because you know that, and magnesium have 2 electron in their valence shell. See that magnesium electronic configuration 2, 8 and 2 valence electron, and chlorine 2 chlorine atom in magnesium chloride, 2 chlorine atom having 7 electron in their valence shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This magnesium lost 1 electron and that. Then it's formed magnesium ion plus 2 and 2 Cl minus. It means it's formed magnesium chloride. Similarly, you can show the formation of calcium chloride, calcium oxide, and calcium and magnesium oxide. Now I am going to start your second ionic bond or chemical bond, that is covalent compound. First one in chemical bonding chapter. First one ionic compound or electroviolent compound, that is over. Ionic or electroviolent compound. Electroviolent compounds. Second one covalent compound. Covalent compounds or covalent bond. First we will discuss about covalent bond. The bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons known as covalent bond. Mutual sharing means equal sharing of the electron. Just I am going to take example of hydrogen, formation of hydrogen molecule. Second one oxygen molecule. Third one nitrogen molecule. See that the electronic configuration of hydrogen is just only in K cell 1 electron. Oxygen 2, 6, K, L cell only 6 electron, nitrogen 7, 2 and 5 electron. See that hydrogen having only 1 electron in their valence shell. Just this is a formation of hydrogen molecule. 1 hydrogen atom, 1 hydrogen atom. Each having only 1 electron in their valence shell. This cross represent electron of the hydrogen, dot represent the electron of this hydrogen. Now we see that both are sharing equal electron. Means bond between hydrogen and hydrogen is single covalent bond. is sharing only one electron, that is also known as combining capacity. Means hydrogen share only one electron to form hydrogen molecule, then valency of hydrogen is 1, means that is the combining capacity of the hydrogen. First one. In case of oxygen, oxygen having 2 electron in their valence shell. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron in their valence shell. One hydrogen atom, another hydrogen atom. Sorry, oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see that this oxygen share 2 electron and complete their octet. Complete their octet. See, in this oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electron, and this oxygen family also 8 electron. Means both are sharing how many electrons? 2 electrons. Means the bond between oxygen atom and oxygen atom is 2, single covalent bond, and it's formed oxygen molecule. So this is the formation of hydrogen molecule. This is the formation of oxygen molecule. You can easily say that valency of oxygen is 2. Why? Because this is the combining capacity of the oxygen. Same thing we can do in case of nitrogen. Nitrogen electronic configuration already I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electron in their valence shell. One nitrogen atom, another nitrogen atom, 5 electron in their valence shell. 5 and 3, 8, and 5 and 3, 8. Means nitrogen sharing 3 electron to complete their octet. Means combining capacity of nitrogen is 3, or you can say the valency of nitrogen is also 3. This is the formation of hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, nitrogen molecule. What I have explained? I have explained what is covalent bond. The bond formed by mutual sharing of the electrons known as covalent bond, and the compound itself exists covalent bond. That compound also known as covalent compound or covalent molecule. Means we can say that hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, these are the covalent molecule. Now we are moving the formation of the covalent compound. In your portion, means in ICSE 10th class, if you practice this compound, formation of this compound, that are very useful for you, so that in board question will come related to that. First one, in organic compounds, only you practice the formation of this. First one, methane. Second one, ethane. Third one, ethene. Fourth one, ethine. Because you will study the lab preparation and their properties. How do you prepare methane, ethane in the laboratory, their physical and chemical properties, and reaction with the other. Similarly, about ethene and ethine. Some other compounds. Fifth one, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. This is homework A. Second, B. So the formation of following compounds. In that, hydrogen chloride gas or hydrochloric acid, hydrogen chloride gas. Second one, formation of ammonia. Third one, nitric acid. Sulfuric. Fourth one, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Some more compound means sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. In C, I will show the formation of the radicals. Before that, first we will complete this one, organic compounds and inorganic compounds formation. If you want to write, you can write from the boards. First example, I am going to explain formation of methane. Formation of methane, CH4. First, you write the electronic configuration of the elements which are atom, which are molecule, which are taking part in the formation of the molecule. Carbon, already you know that carbon 6, 2 and 4 electron in their valence shell. Hydrogen having only 1 electron in their valence shell. Now, CH4, one carbon having how many electrons? 4 electron in their valence shell. See here, carbon having 4 electron I have written. How many hydrogen atom? 4 hydrogen atom. You write all 4 hydrogen atom here. You know that one hydrogen having 1 electron in their valence shell. See, 1, 1 and 1. Now you easily find that the duplet of hydrogen already completed. 2 electron, and the octet of carbon also completed. Means the formation of methane, carbon share equal electron with hydrogen and form methane. This formula is called molecular formula of the methane. This one is called electron dot diagram or Lewis diagram or electron dot diagram. This is called structural formula of the methane. So see that this one is the molecular formula of the methane. This one electron dot diagram. This one the structural formula of the methane. Similarly, you can show the formation of the compounds whatever I have given in part A and part B. In next session, we will explain some few formation of the covalent compound, and afterward we will move toward coordinate compound. Thank you. Have a nice day.